BM English Speaking Radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 68 of season 3. Today's word is lucrative. The meaning of lucrative is producing large amount of wealth or to be profitable. With BM English Speaking Radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word lucrative. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Lucrative is spelled as L-U-C-R-A-T-I-V-E. The internet has spread across the length and breadth of the globe. More and more businesses are finding it lucrative to conduct their business in an online mode instead of the traditional approach. Wasn't it easy to understand? Listen carefully how we can use the word lucrative in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Earlier, Relaxo resorts would only rent rooms to guests and it was running into losses. After seeking professional advice, it started water sports activities for its guests, and since then, the business has been extremely lucrative. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Raymond loved traveling to new destinations from a very young age. Impressed by his knowledge, many tourists requested him to be their guide. Raymond found it to be a lucrative idea and he decided to be a tourist guide. Example number 3 of 8. Dear listener, do you feel being a foreign language translator is a lucrative proposition? Globalization has brought the world closer and has increased interactions across national boundaries. Naturally, knowing multiple foreign languages is a great qualification. Do share your views on this in our comments box. Let's understand example number 4 of 8. There are freelancers who work on specific projects and charge their fees based on the time they spend on each project. They prefer to take up the most lucrative assignments to earn maximum money. 4,239 and counting is the number of Google reviews with a 4.2 star rating that BM English Speaking Institute has received. To know more about us, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Kalyan worked in a workshop and was an expert welder. Mr. Mehra, their competitor, spotted Kalyan's talent. So he gave such a lucrative offer to Kalyan that he could not refuse and started working for the competitor company. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Both the managers in a company were competing for the lucrative position in the Singapore office. Gregory had already worked abroad in an earlier job and hence he got this opportunity. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. Mr. Periyar is a farmer in southern India. He used to grow rice in his paddy fields as main crop. Once he read an article about spice cultivation in an agro magazine. He liked the concept and cultivated spices in his field. It turned out to be a lucrative decision. Example number 8 of 8. Every company tries to maximize the sale of its products and services. For this purpose, it needs to win the loyalty of its customers. Hence, companies often make lucrative offers through promotional campaigns. Today we learnt the word lucrative, which means producing large amount of wealth or profitable. Can you frame 3 sentences with lucrative and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure that this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 68 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.